Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us first understand the key concept here. In mutarotation, the observed optical rotation of an equilibrium mixture is the weighted average of the optical rotations of the individual anomers. Let X is equal to fraction of alpha form in the equilibrium mixture. Then, 1 kiss smiley is equal to fraction of beta form. The weighted average equation. X asterisk plus 150.7 degrees plus 1 kiss smiley asterisk plus 52.8 degrees is equal to plus 80.2 degrees. Expanding. 150.7x plus 52.8, 52.8x is equal to 80.2. Collecting x terms. 150.7 to 52.8, x is equal to 80.2 to 52.8. 97.9 x is equal to 27.4. X is equal to 27.4 slash 97.9. X 0.279928%. So the percentage of alpha form is approximately 28%. Why other options fail? 32% would give 0.32 asterisk 150.7 plus 0.68 asterisk 52.8 is equal to 48.224 plus 35.904 is equal to 84.128 degrees, not 80.2 degrees. 68% would give 0.68 asterisk 150.7 plus 0.32 asterisk 52.8 is equal to 102.476 plus 16.896 is equal to 119.37 degrees, not 80.2 degrees. 72% would give 0.72 asterisk 150.7 plus 0.28 asterisk 52.8 is equal to 108.504 plus 14.784 is equal to 123.29 degrees, not 80.2 degrees. Therefore, the correct answer is A. Therefore, the correct answer is option A.